Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to create this makeup look. So I'm going to start this look by prepping my skin first, and for that I'm using this face serum by NY Bae Skinfident. This serum is a light watery texture and is good for your skin. If you belong to a oily skin family, this serum will definitely work for your skin very well. So I'm going to apply a little bit onto my skin with the help of my fingers and blend it very nicely all over my face. Nextly, after applying a face serum, I'm going to use a primer. And for primer, I'm going to use this primer by Purple, my Base Friend Forever primer. This primer will give me a smooth texture, and this primer is silicone based and has vitamin E in it, which is very good for your skin. So I'm just applying a little bit onto my skin where all I have open pores. So for foundation, I'm using this one by Faces Canada. It's their matte finish foundation. I'm just applying a drop of it and will blend it with the help of a beauty blender. I'm just applying it in dotted motions and will apply it onto my neck as well. Now I'm going to blend it very nicely using a beauty blender in a dabbing motion. This foundation gives your skin natural finish and it does not clog your pores. So it's good for all skin types, I believe. Also, I'm not going to apply it onto my eyes and under my eyes because I don't want many layers of foundation onto my skin. I personally believe that your base should be always neutral and it should never look like that you are wearing a mask on your skin. So that's why I'm not going to apply it under my eyes or onto my eyelid. So next I'm using this concealer by NY Bae. It's a yellow tone concealer and I'm going to apply it with a flat tapered brush where all I require. This concealer is very affordable, so it's really good for beginners. Now I'm going to conceal all the usual areas of my face where all I think that I need concealing. So for blending, I'm going to use that same beauty blender and blend it in a dabbing motion. So as we are using this concealer, this is a yellow undertone concealer and this is very good for just brightening up your skin. So if you want any concealer for highlighting, you can definitely go for this one because this does that job really well. For baking, I'm using this loose powder by Kurlon and will bake my entire face using this. And I'm going to apply that loose powder with the help of the same beauty blender. You can use a brush if you want. And I'm going to apply it onto the areas I want to bake. So baking is a process in which you are going to set your entire face or entire base by using that same loose powder. Now till then, let's move forward to our eye makeup, for which I'm using this palette by Purple and first I'm using the cold orange kind of color on my crease line and will blend it nicely. Next I'm using this light brown color and will place it onto the first color and blend it. I'm just giving my outer corner a defined look. So next I'm just blending it properly. Glittery shade and will apply it to my inner eyelid. You can see both my eyes and now I'm using a white shimmery shade and I'm putting it to the center of my eyelid. So here I'm using a brush, but this brush doesn't give me that pigmentation which I wanted, so I have used my fingertips for applying that white shade. Now using a blending brush, I'm going to just blend my entire crease. For eyeliner, I'm going to use this pen eyeliner and will make a wing onto my eyes, and after drawing a wing, I'm just joining it with my lower lash line and will draw a simple line with the same eyeliner for the fine look. So our eye look is almost completed. Moving on, now I'm just dusting off the powder which I've used for baking. For brows, I'm not going to use any product onto my eyebrows because my eyebrows are already very thick, so I'm just going to brush it off. Now I'm going to use this single eyeshadow from ADS Pro in the shade 08 and will put it onto my lower lash line and blend it with the help of an angular brush. For blush, I'm using that same eyeshadow and using a beauty blender. I'm going to apply a very little amount onto my cheeks and on my nose as well. Remember, do not use it too much because these eyeshadows are very pigmented. So our blush is completed. After this, I'm curling my lashes and I'm using this mascara by Benefit. Actually, this is not a mascara, it is used for brows, but I use it as a mascara. Nextly, for highlighter, I'm using the Wet n Wild Color Icon Ombre Blush. This is a pink shimmery kind of blush which I use as a highlighter. I'm applying it using a fan brush to my cheeks, bridge of my nose, cupid bow, on my chin, and now I'm also highlighting my inner corner and brow bone with the same product. For lipstick, I'm using this one by Swiss Beauty 925. I'll be mentioning all the products and shade details in the description box below, so go and check it out. This lipstick is a creamy mousse kind of lipstick and it's really lasts long, doesn't feel dry on your lips. So after this, I'm using this lipstick by NYX. It's a nude color and I'm mixing this color with the previous one for a natural pinkish or coral kind of lip color. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Until then, bye.